I found this rabbit hole of retro style 80s retro style anime, or like dark art made by AI. Let's check out Chainsaw Man 80s retro style anime style. I love Chainsaw Man, you love Chainsaw Man, we love Chainsaw Man, everyone loves Chainsaw Man. So let's check out what it will have looked like in the 80s. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. I am quite excited because like the style is absolutely like gorgeous. AI allows for the impossible to happen. And what I am excited about is that some old TV shows that are really unwatchable these days might be picked up and might be remastered using AI technology. Think about like the first episodes of Bleach, Naruto, like One Piece, etc., etc. Imagine that like we will get someday soon to an AI era where all our favorite TV shows and movies as well will be able to simply using AI make them current era like watchable, you know. Imagine like your favorite old anime that is like now possible, that will be possible to rewatch current era type of like graphics, like because like overall the voice acting is fine, right? So you just need like an AI that does that actually just update the images, and seeing what AI can do, right? It is quite exciting. It is exciting. I don't know if it will be like independent or if it's the studios that will allow themselves to actually offer themselves a service because it's a free remaster of their own work. But like, I really hope that we will get to either studios or passionate fans will use AI to actually offer us the opportunity to rewatch our favorite piece of anime, TV shows, movies with updated graphics, right? That will be interesting. Anyway, to come back to this, look at this. It is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. There's like nothing much to say, like, but like it's just like gorgeous to think about. Imagine Chainsaw Man in the 80s. God damn, it will have looked fucking decent. All right.